Hey guys, fishing around here using the Senko. I just caught this small bass. I would have gotten the reel and the reel in on camera, but the last one I reeled in, trying to get the camera out of my pocket, it came off the hook, and I wasn't going to take that chance with this one, so get him unhooked and back. Perfect hook set right in the corner. She's not gonna lie, it's very difficult to get this fish. I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute. Alright, so I'd take 2 hands to get that wacky hook out of him, but I'd say 3 ounces. Tiny, tiny, tiny fish. But thanks for watching and stay fishing year round here. Caught another one. I'm gonna weigh him up. We'll see how much it weighs. Hooked him right in the back of the tongue. Fortunately, he swallowed that thing all the way to the bottom. Okay, no, just press the... Hey guys, fishing around here. Got this fish. Solid largemouth. And we're going to see how much it weighs real quick. Yeah, 9.5 ounces. Not a bad largemouth bass at all. Got like a hole in it from where somebody did something to it. But we'll release him. Hey guys, once again in that cove on the second cast, the first cast, call it a sewer head thing. Second cast, another tiny bass. I don't know why. I'm using the 4-inch Senko, watermelon bread magic, and I don't know why it just keeps doing that. I just keep catching small fish and small fish only. Hold on, let me get this hook out. Another one, tiny one. I wear a size 10 shoe. It's like half my shoe. That's almost abnormal. These must be like a nest or something over there. Hold on, let me get them weighed up. Oh my gosh. It's saying 2. That's what's smaller than the other one. Alright, we'll get him released and catch you up with more fish. Hey guys, fishing around here. And it's almost getting weird. Right there, that little channel. There must be a spawning nest right at the end of it, because I keep catching the tiniest bass I've ever seen. Now we'll unhook him. I mean, he won't weigh much, but... I'll put down the camera just so I can fish out. Alright, there. Nice little pop at the end. Tiny bass. Then I got the scale over here, yeah. I hate to pick on the camera once more, but... Yeah, how did I know? I don't know, yep, 3 ounces. So, I don't know why I have these Yamamoto Senkos, watermelon red magic. They're attracting the smaller bass. He's so small, you really don't even need to lip him. He's got plenty of energy. Glug glug. Alright, we'll watch him get away. He darted out of there. Alright, well, I'll catch you later and be back with more fish.